Hi everyone! I thought we would go through and show you the new Let's Explore kits that we got from Melissa and Doug. Apparently this series you can only get at Target, that's why I haven't even seen them before. But we have the fishing little tackle box set, and then we also have the hiking kit, which you'll see later. Here's what actually comes in the tackle box. They have the little orange little fishing net, which Ellie absolutely loves playing with the net. Of course, the 6 fish and the 2 wooden rods. And then a set of 4 little worms for bait. Oliver loves hooking those on his little fish. He thinks that you cannot catch the fish without them. The little fishing guide that came with it is really cute. It has all 6 of the fish in there. So when the kids are using their poles and going fishing, I always call out the name of the fish, and that's the one they try to catch. So they're also learning how to identify the different kinds of fish. And it also came with a set of 2 little fishing licenses. So they're having fun with these as well. And this is the little pond mat that came with it. Sometimes the kids will put the fish on them and fish from the pond, but other times they just like throwing them on the rug and using that as their pond since it's a little bit bigger. The next thing we unboxed was the little hiking play set, and this was definitely Ellie's favorite out of the 2 kits, which worked out well because Oliver really likes the fishing one. This was a little backpack that came with it, which is probably why Ellie liked it so much. And in the front pouch we have the little trail guide and a little bottle of sunscreen. The trail guide was really cute. It had all the little things that you put in your backpack. You can mark what the weather is for that day. It has a little scavenger hunt and just some more tips and tricks and everything that you need to take hiking. And of course the little pretend granola bar. Ellie loved that one. And little animal tracks card. These were Oliver's favorite. I think the little pair of binoculars was definitely the biggest hit. They both gravitated towards this one item more than anything else in the kit. And of course the little mini first aid kit, which Ellie thought was super cute. The little canteen, we actually did fill it up with water and was surprised that there wasn't any major leaking or anything. And the whistle, which they did get a hang of that pretty quickly. And Oliver's second favorite item after the binoculars is definitely the little field tool. It has the compass, the magnifying glass, and just a little pretend ruler slash knife. after we went through everything and kind of opened everything up, we went ahead and loaded the backpack back up, and we head outside to do a little nature walk around our property using the kids.
I saw a bird. Hey, you know what? Get your binoculars out. We're gonna go bird watching.
Gonna go bird watching?
Let's go bird watching. And on the way.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. The little play kits were definitely a huge hit with the kiddos. We'll probably add some more to our collection for Christmas presents this year. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.